This one in here was the high long-tailed tit. I've lost that. See how that's been took there. Oh, that's a shame. Would have had eggs that. Lost that one. We'll get away. Yeah, just looking in here. Brand new bullfinch has gone in. It's very difficult to get in and see it. I'll see if I can pin that camera so it looks up. Oh, yeah, it's a beauty. Too close, so just angled in. It's very difficult to get into it actually. Right, we'll get out. Aye, what a corker. There's a new blackbird in there, I think. Yeah, it's just got the 3 at the minute. Nice one. Yeah, good. We'll get out. Nestled in, of course, yeah. Good stuff. Right, get out. It's a pheasant nest with eggs, about 11 in there. Heart-stop moment when the female comes off the nest with, right, that's it, under there. Right, 11. Right, we'll get out. Beautiful new song thrush. It's gone in there. What a beauty. Little chippings in the bottom there. But aye, that's new, that. Brand spanking new. Great stuff. Get out. Have eggs soon. Back out today. Tuesday the 15th of April. Try and give it a good run. Weather permitting, of course. Lot of rain forecast. But it's keeping it bay at the minute. Just watching a couple of willow warblers paired up. Yeah, it's just gone there again. Blackbird, of course, in the background, but a couple of chaffinch, they're paired up and just bobbing about in some gorse. So I'm just going to keep an eye here, see if I can see anything dropping in. We'll see. Just in here, you see that earliest construction there? Yeah, that's a linnet. I've seen one or heard one. That's the earliest construction. I don't think I've ever had a linnet like that. Bullfinch I've watched from start to finish, but normally I'm finding these a little bit further on than that. But aye, that looks like that's a linnet going in there. Right, we'll get out of here. A new one going in here, and I'm thinking something. Getting its moss around the sides there and bang that up. I'm thinking some thrush on that. Yeah, a bit to go. I'll get out. Right, nice one. Lovely little wrens nestled in there. Camouflage quite nicely in there. Yeah. No feathering in, anything like that. I haven't heard any actually. But aye. Good. Nice sort of on that. Good stuff, we'll get out. Look at this little beauty here. Oh no. It's a beauty. I've heard neither the Chiffchaff nor the willow warbler here. I'm thinking Chiffchaff. That's what I had in my mind was before I even approached this gorse actually, but nothing. No birds, but that is ready to go. It's a little beauty. I am thinking Chiffchaff. Well, right, we get out. It's looking in here, it's bad news. The first songthrush nest was seriously on a tilt, and as you can see in there, was sitting its clutch of four, was doing great. They should have young, but you can see I lost 2 eggs out of that nest. I don't know. The tilt. Oh, that's a shame. Right, we'll get out of here. Right.